Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. Today we have a new opportunity and this is for everyone. It's a free online course in Harvard University. We will show you live application process and how to fill this free online course and pursue it absolutely at home on no cost. It's for everyone and there is no restricted eligibility criteria to study in Harvard. This is completely online and will show you detailed application process, how to fill one and how to achieve one. You can also enroll absolutely free. We will discuss about it in a while. Before that, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that like button and just press that thumbs up button. Just comment down if you have any difficulty about choosing courses. We can guide you. Our team is here to guide you. You can get this free Harvard course link in the video description. Please check the video description. Link is given there. Once you click on that link, it will take you to our website here. Once you land on our website, you can read about the courses here. Similarly, you can follow us on Instagram. Our username is Full Scholarships. You can also get link from Instagram. Just message us, ask free courses. We will send you this Harvard University link to study absolutely free while studying at home. Now, the best and the easiest way is just check the video description. Link is given there. Now, once you are done with reading all details, these are just basic details, and here are some highlighting points. The host university will be issuing, Harvard University will be issuing certificates. Total courses offered under this are 707, and course accessibility is completely online. There is no deadline at all. Now, here are some major fields available under Harvard University courses. So, we have mentioned top notch 11 courses here. Here are some benefits of online courses under the Harvard University, and here is the eligibility criteria, and here is how to apply. Once you are done with everything, you are completely ready to apply. Hit that apply now button here. Once you click on this apply now button, it will take you to the official Harvard page. Now, just showing you this Harvard University page. So I am zooming it out a little bit so that I can easily scroll down, and here you can check all courses are mentioned on the official Harvard University, and just choose any of the courses that you are interested. You can check there are 700 courses. Now I am choosing the game development, so just click on my course, any course that you choose. So I am choosing game development. Once I click on this course, it will take me to the course website. It's also on the Harvard University website. Now click on this learn more. Similarly, on the right hand side, you can read details that it's completely in English and completely free. So click on this learn more red button here. It will take you to the official brief description of this game development course. So you can check the estimated 12-week course, self place it absolutely free. So you can check enroll button is given here. After scrolling a little bit, just and click on this enroll button. Once you click on this enroll button, it will take you to the registration page. Fill the registration details if you don't have the edX account. If you have previously signed up, click on this sign in button here. Now, once you register, use the same email and the password, and then click on this sign in button. So it will take us to the login page. While we have to enroll, hit that enroll. Now you can check. I don't want the certificate right now. I want to access this course completely free. Click on this continue. Later on, you can also go to the advanced level that you can get the scholarships and the certificates too. Now edX now is a part of 2U. Yes, I continue. Click on this continue button. So you can click on this start course, and in a matter of seconds and a few clicks, hurrah, this course is yours. Now you have completely enrolled in this course, and that too absolutely free. I hope you can find your course. If you need guidance on how to choose course, if you are from any other field, you can just develop skills here on the Harvard University certificate. I hope you have understood this process completely. It was absolutely easy. In a magic seconds, you have a certificate in your hand. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. I am signing off for Full Scholarships. Have a nice day ahead.